Hey everybody, I'm Leanna. Welcome back. So today I'd like to prove to you guys that you only need 15 minutes to do an awesome yoga practice. So let's get started. Standing. And bring your knuckles to the sides of your head. And inhale, reach the chest forward as you draw the elbows back. Exhale, draw the elbows towards each other and round your upper back. And inhale, open it up. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. This time stay open. Exhale, twist to your right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist to the left. Good. Inhale, back to center. Reach your arms up. Exhale, bend your knees. Fold forward. Inhale, slide your hands up your shins. Press into your shins as you reach your heart forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, step back into high plank. Good. Press down into your hands. Broaden across your collarbones. And draw your tailbone a little bit towards your heels and firm up your quads. Good. You can always stay here. You can always drop to the knees or play with lifting the right toes up. Right toes down. Lift the left toes. Left toes down. Inhale. Exhale, find forearm plank. Good. Option is stay here or drop to the knees or lift the right toes up. Right toes down, left toes up. Left toes down, side plank, side plank on your forearm. Left forearm down, right arm up. Lift that bottom hip, press down firmly into your left forearm, and firm the outer upper left arm in. Inhale to center. Exhale, switch. Okay, lift the bottom hip, squeeze the legs, press into the right forearm. Inhale back to center. Exhale, lower down for Sphinx. Inhale in Sphinx, heart forward, outer upper arms back. Press into the tops of the feet. Exhale, lower down. Interlace your hands together behind your back. Draw your knuckles back towards your heels. Exhale out of the mouth. Inhale, lift everything up. As the knuckles reach back, draw the heart forward. Squeeze the inner thighs towards each other. One more inhale. Exhale, lower down. Hands under your shoulders, curl your toes, lift your knees. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, send your right leg up and back. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose. Pause. Bring your knee to the right upper arm. Twist it to the left upper arm. Inhale, send your leg up and back. Exhale, step your foot between your hands. Inhale, high lunge. Engage your left glute. Press into the ball of the left foot. Lift up using the core. Inhale, reach through the ring fingers. Exhale, keep that reach as you cactus the arms. Elbows draw down and back as your heart reaches up. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, warrior two. Good. Your feet dig into the mat and pull in. Zip up from the low belly and reach across your arms. And notice your back hand, bring it behind the low back. Grab for the front inner thigh. Side angle pose with the half bind. The front elbow comes inside the front knee. With that front elbow, the right elbow, press it into the knee as the knee presses back into the elbow. Draw the right hip crease back as you reach the chest forward. Good, press firmly into that back foot. Last deep breath. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, straighten your front leg, reach up and back. Reverse triangle. Good. Reach the arms back out wide, look down in front of the front foot. Bend your front knee and launch up into half moon. Ardha Chandrasana. I always have to adjust myself for this one. Half moon. The outer right hip, firm it in as you press into the standing foot. Reach back through the left heel as you draw the crown of the head forward. Open up across the chest. Option to stay here or take it into Chapasana. Enjoying that quad stretch and that little back bend. Let's find a half moon. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands down, spin the left hip down. We'll come into standing splits. And then if you'd prefer to do handstand kick-ups, if that's something that you're into, feel free to take some hops. If you're in standing splits, outer right hip firms in. Engage the left glute to lift the left leg. And we'll meet in a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up and back. Exhale, knee to your nose. Bring it to the left upper arm. Squeeze it in. Twist it to the right. Inhale, send it up and back. Exhale, step through. Inhale, high lunge. Good. Left glute is strong. Press into the ball of the back foot. Zip up the belly. Reach for the ring fingers. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbows draw down and back as the heart reaches up. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, warrior two. Good, really strong in the legs, especially that back leg. Reach across the fingers. Relax the jaw, the brow. Good. Bring your back hand behind your low back. Reach for the front inner thigh. Half bound side angle pose. So the front elbow, the left elbow goes just inside of the knee. And then with that elbow, press the knee open as you press the knee back into the elbow. Back foot is strongly connected to the mat. Left hip crease draws back as the sternum reaches forward. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, straighten your front leg, reach up and back. And reach the arms out nice and wide. Look down in front of your front foot. Bend your front knee. Come on up into half moon, Ardha Chandrasana. Outer left hip firms in. Reach back through the heel of the right foot as the crown of the head reaches forward. Option for Chapasana. Bend the top knee. Reach back for the foot. Kick into your hand. Feel that little quad stretch. We'll meet back in half moon. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands down. Standing splits. Or a couple little hops towards handstand for all my handstanders. Outer left hip firms in. Right glute is working super hard to lift the leg. Forward fold is where we'll meet. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, step or float back, high plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, bend your knees, look forward. Exhale, walk or hop to the top of the mat. Come to a seat. And we'll bring the right shin in front of the left shin or the right outer ankle on top of the left knee for double pigeon. So either Sukhasana or double pigeon. Sukhasana is like a totally fine option. Sit nice and tall. Reach the arms out wide. Inhale. Exhale, right elbow on top of the left elbow. For eagle arms, squeeze the forearms together. Reach the elbows away from the chin. Relax the jaw, relax the brow. Release the arms. Switch the crossing of your legs, so either left shin in front, Sukhasana, or left outer ankle to the right knee, double pigeon. Reach your arms, take an inhale. Exhale, left elbow on top this time. Keep that lift out of the spine and out of the pelvis using the core. Squeeze the forearms together, lift the elbows up, and breathe into your upper back. Release that. Let's just come into Sukhasana if you're not already there. Inhale. Exhale, twist to your right. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist from the ribs. Inhale to center. Exhale, switch sides. Inhale, find length. Exhale, twist. Good. Inhale back to center. And either lie back for Shavasana or you can stay in a seated meditation. For seated meditation, I'm going to suggest coming into Virasana, the block between the heels. But you can always just find a comfortable seat or lie back for Shavasana. And close your eyes. Soften the muscles around the eyes. Soften the jaw. And just pay attention to the way that your breath feels as it moves in and out of your body. If you're lying back in Shavasana, nice and easefully make your way back into a seat. And we'll all meet in a seat And bring the palms in front of the heart. Bow the chin. Take an inhale through your nose, fill up your belly, your chest, and your throat. Pause there. Sip in a little bit more air. Lift your chin, open up your mouth. Okay. Thanks, everybody. Just a quick practice. I know we don't always have like 60 or even 90 minutes. Remember those 90-minute classes? That was crazy that we did that. So anyways, hope you enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day. Namaste.